Hello guys, it's Dashin Gaming. Today I am going to be, oh my god, review all these fucking amazing skins on the workshop. Now let's check. This one says you can color your shit. Hasn't Bill's head already been colored or something? I don't know. Let's see here, Puppet Master. I've seen this one before. I kinda do like it. Oh fuck, this one looks creepy. That should be with the zombie skin. My god, talking about zombies, there should be a TF2 zombie game mode. Like, Wave 666 was pretty perfectly lazy. It was like, all the zombies had guns, and zombies don't know how to fucking use guns. So I'd say improve upon Wave 666 and actually add zombies. All these look fucking creepy and terrifying, so I should just add them. Holy shit. Alright. Scout Rocket Boy. Cool art, but I'm not seeing what you're showing off. So goddamn. That reminds me of fucking Borderlands. Oh yeah. Team Fortress Bandits, everyone. Don't even get let's see here. Fuck, that's creepy. Fucking hell. The fucking face. Holy fucking shit, that is so creepy. It's possibly the creepiest clown face I've ever seen. Just tell me in the comments if this is creepy or not. Oh my god. That's so fucking the comedian, more like the fucking skit. This is like an insult. Like, if Gibbs is aware it's... it's fucking an insult. If you get killed by it, kind of makes fun of you for being so bad for not killing them. Alright, let's check here. What? That looks cool in art form, but you're not actually showing me off the fucking thing. Whoa. Oh, shit. The improved version. It's called it's called Snowflake Storm. Am I right? Frost Storm? Bullshit. There's like between Blizzardy Storm and Frostbite. It's bullshit. You should say, oh, Snowflake Storm or something. It sounds shit, but at least it's better. Alright. A toenail. This is pretty horrifying, so... Oh shit, that's really horrifying. Oh, this looks great. What? Fucking dragon makes sense. Pyros into fire and dragons breathe out fire. But it would make more sense if it was the balloonicorn. Of course. Have they added this? I'm not sure. If they haven't, they gotta add this. This is what pyro is. Let's see. Grey matter. This feels like a lot like RoboCop, except not really. Oh fuck. Oh my god, they should add an aliens version of like oh my god, that'd be so great. That'd be creepy. They should make a game reference of this game. But I guess they have quite a bit of other ones that are off shit. I didn't. What we haven't had yet is Pyro being like a bandit, sort of thing. This looks interesting. Oh, it's Pyro. Creepy. Fuck. Get up. Let's see. No! It's a gnome! It's a gnome. After Fat saved that Left 4 Dead gnome, I guess it should be a skin in Team Fortress. That hairstyle is actually amazing. I could think of Gandalf out of them. Not Gandalf. I mean, well, my fucking god. I don't like the mohawk though. There's already a great mohawk in the game, so just add that hairstyle. What's this here? Bubblehead. That looks adorable, to be honest. Whoa. A shitty Medicat that we don't want in the game. Oh, fuck. I don't think we want that. Be in the base. It was time that Scout should have better earphones other than his buds. Oh! Now this has got... No, that shouldn't be a thing. Holy shit. Yep, Pyro Knight, everyone. The proper look of Pyro Knight. What? Just how bad it is. It just makes it great. Oh. Oh man, they already had the hat. Just do the beard and that. Oh fuck, that was great. Oh, there's a Borderlands. Oh great. Spy like that. It's just every time he taunts, it just does different face expressions. That's okay. What the fuck is this? Alright. It's like a Little Red Riding Hood thing? I don't know. Oh, Medic Hood. Nice. Well, we already have a Medic Hood, but if there wants to be different variants, then sure. Oh, fuck. The actual proper, the proper, Balloonicorn. Only thing I have a problem with is it doesn't show me that it can be colored. Alright. I really should see this, so let's just mute it and just see. Oh! I love it! Thanks, thanks S3, per Ryan. It's so fucking... why do people make their name so bad? Oh god, I don't want to beat up Heavy. But sure. Do I see something I like? I do like that. Fucking hell. Fuck. Just... Oh my god. Sniper King! Yes! Not Australian King. Sniper King it should be called. Because he basically has that crown for the reason of he's really good at sniping. Headless Nick reference, I guess? Oh. Let's check this one out. Volcano eruption. I've seen a bunch of these lava unusuals that they never added in. Which looks great, to be honest. My god, good ground. Fuck's sakes, it's so bad that it's good. Like, add it for, like, hilarious laughs. Alright. Hmm. What the fuck? Alright. Ew. Cool. That's like if you play MVM enough, you should have like a Sentry Buster skin for every class, and you should be great. What the fuck is this? What the actual fuck is it? Oh, they tried to do an improved version. Well, thing is, get rid of that. Add the black. Actually, not the black. Make it like, add like blue. Like a cool little thing. There should be a Aliens and Predator reference. Let's check this out. Oh, that looks great. It's a great little scout skin that Scout can have. Creepy headgear should be the next Gibbous generation. It really should though. My fucking god. Alright. That actually should legit be a skin. It's bad, but this bad makes it good. Sometimes bad makes things good, but if it's like bad when it looks like you're trying to make an effort to make it look good, then it has to look as ugly as possible. Just like not in detail wise, but you know in how it looks on the glass. Oh man, alright, I guess that little Santa thing is great. That just looks bad. Alright. They have a few interesting ones that you can like look at and shit. There's a Valve thing which I guess they could add, but I don't think they want to really because no one really would. Oh fuck! Another gnome. A interesting gnome. Bursting flames. No one, but they haven't showed me enough things about it, so I wouldn't comment on it. Tomb Raider. Like we can make a Tomb Raider reference. Oh fuck no. No. Add that to the engineer. So my fucking god, so bad. Like, it's like you could look like this thing, whatever it is. Yeah, sure. Oh, bloody hell. Yep, they added more of them. Brilliant, just add them in. Yeah, that's it about this episode. I'll piece it out to you.